Hello everyone, this is Sadvik. I hope you're all doing great. I will tell you how to make raita.
Hi everyone, this is Paulavi. So you already heard from Dugu that he is going to make raita. Well, today I am going to show you how to prepare green peas paratha without oil. So for that only Dugu will show us how to make raita. So here you can see I have taken maida on which I have put little salt, sugar, ajwain and little bit of oil. So this first I'll have to mix well and then I'll be making the dough for the paratha. And here for making dough I have kept the water. So this is the part of only dough. And here you can see I have kept some green peas for grinding, and this I'll be mixing with some green chili. So that's all. So first I'm gonna make the paste of it, and then I'll be making the stuffing, so that I'll show you. Well, you can see here the dough is ready, which I'll keep aside for some time, and by then I'll prepare this for the stuffing. So here you can see the oil is heated on a pan, and I have added some whole jeera as well, and now I am going to put that green peas paste which I made already, and then I'll have to stir it for some time. It's getting cooked now. I'll have to just stir it for some time, and now I'll add around 1 spoon of salt. That's all. I'm not adding any masala in this. So while stirring, when you see that it is not getting stuck on the pan, that means it is done already. So here you can see it is not getting stuck. Smoothly it is coming out. So that means my stuffing is done. It is ready, and here I have divided the dough into balls. So just now I need to put the stuffing inside this, and then I'll just have to prepare the paratha. That's all. So here paratha is getting ready, and also you must be noticing there is no oil on the tawa. So my parathas are ready, and Dugu is holding that. Now you can see Dugu's turn. He will make raita for us. For raita already I have kept here some chopped onion and chopped cucumber,
Chopped chili.
yeah, and some curd. Now Dugu is gonna mix the masalas. So what are you putting now?
Salt.
Okay. Okay.
Sugar.
What is this?
Chaat masala.
So what are you going to put now?
Black salt.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. So now you'll have to
Now, as you can see, I am mixing the raita. Raita ready. Raita is ready.
So you all have seen how to make paratha without oil. Trust me, when initially I started making paratha without oil, in fact I used to hesitate, like paratha without oil, how will it taste? But yes, it really tastes good, and these days we all are concerned about oily food, oily stuffs and all. So, and that too we all are having almost sedentary lifestyle, so in that it's better to avoid also oil. But in case if you can't have at all without oil, then definitely you can add some butter.
Little oil.
Not little oil, little butter from top, or even little ghee, however whatever you like.
Yep.
If you ask me, like even before for Dugu, in fact I used to add little butter, but now even he doesn't like to have with oil or with butter, nothing. Even he doesn't want anything. So we all are enjoying it and we have got habituated with it.
Yes.
Correct, right?
Yes.
So do try and let us know if you all liked it. I'm gonna end it here only. We'll see you soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself and your family as well. According to me, to take care of others, first you need to love yourself. So do take care of yourself and your family. Till then, bye.
Bye.